Hi guys! Welcome to Guide Pro. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your route in the Waze app. Let's get started. First, open the Waze app on your phone. If you're already driving and want to change your route, tap the ETA bar at the bottom of the screen, then tap Routes. Here, you can choose a different route or switch to Map View for a better perspective. This view displays the route, estimated time, and distance. To select a new route, tap on it, and Waze will update your navigation accordingly. Additionally, you can adjust settings to avoid tolls, ferries, or freeways. To do this, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu, select Settings, then Navigation. Here, toggle on the options you wish to avoid. That's it. Now you know how to change your route and adjust navigation preferences in Waze. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. See you later.